Good evening, everyone. In a newer and shorter version of one of my old videos, I will be doing an impression of Emperor Percival Tachyon from Ratchet Clank Tools of Destruction. And I hope you like it. Here we go.
Emperor Percival Tachyon, Crown Prince of the Cragmites, Conqueror of space and time, and pending the obliteration of you and subordinate species, ruler of the universe. I took great pleasure in destroying your father, Lombax. Pity he sent you to Solana before we could meet. I offer you this one chance. Go home, join your race, or stay and suffer. Typical Lombax, so noble, so courageous, and so very dead. You can't kill me, Lombax. Only I know your true purpose in this galaxy. Only I know your true name. The Cragmite's return is inevitable. Your kind will never be safe, do you hear me? Never!
Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed that. Have a good day, or night, evening. You know what I mean. See y'all real soon. In the words of Dimitri, peace out.